This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Brenda Young. Ready now. This location is ideal for commuters, amenities and all the conveniences of the Falling Waters location. 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths provides plenty of space. Nice eat-in kitchen with modern appliances and a laundry room with hookups complete the main level. The full basement has a room finished along with a 1-car garage and plenty of room for storage. Tenant will mow and maintain property 25 from the house. The landlord will maintain the remaining 3+ acres. Pets are case by case. Each occupant/applicant 18 years of age or older must apply via Rentspree. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Young at 304-263-2121.